That was amazing. Did you heard the lecturer? She said the main concept was brilliant. Yeah, I'm glad my idea worked here.
Your idea?
Yeah, the interaction learning media concept. That was the highlight of the presentation here.
I'm confused. That was actually my idea. I shared it during our first discussion meeting.
Well, yeah, I developed it more and presented it, so I guess it's become mine.
That's not fair. You didn't even mention my name when you explained it.
Hey, what's going on? People look serious.
Yeah, I can feel the tension here. Did something happen?
Yeah, I'm upset because I said the main idea was his, but it was actually my idea.
Is it tourist?
Yeah, I didn't mean to steal it. I just explained it confidently here. So maybe the lecturer assumed it was mine.
No, you clearly said I came up with this idea.
Yeah, that assumed you were like taking credit for it.
Alice, taking credit for someone. What is the right? We are team.
I just wanted presentation to impress you.
But we already did a good job together. You didn't need to ignore my contribution.
Exactly. Everyone worked hard for this project.
Teamwork means sharing success, not competing for attention.
I didn't realize it. Yeah, it would hurt you this much.
Of course it hurts. I spent a lot of time developing this concept.
Yeah, imagine if someone presented your slide and said they created them.
And upset and disappointed.
That is safety. How we felt is right now.
Yeah, Dipa, I'm really sorry. You're right. It was your idea, and I should give you credit.
Thank you. I just want my work to be acknowledged.
Yeah, yeah. Next time, I'll make sure everyone contributes to this very inside here.
Yeah, that's the right thing to do.
Remember, success belongs to the whole team, not just one person.
Yeah, I agree.
Now, how about we celebrate our team properly?
Yeah.